To remove the access panel, slide the access panel latch to the right unlocked position. Grasp the handle on the rear of the panel and pull slightly to the rear before pulling up on the back of the panel. Remove the panel from the unit. The access panel has several tabs on its side and leading edges, which fit into slots and under a lip on the PC. There are also 2 tabs on the rear inside edge that slide into slots on the rear of the chassis. Note that the rear tabs can get bent easily and make it difficult to replace the panel. Before replacement, make sure each rear tab is unbent and in a parallel position to the surface of the panel. There is also a small slot on the rear of the panel that a lock slot on the PC slides into. To reattach the panel, align the tabs on the panel over the corresponding slots on the PC. Slide the panel forward until the lock slot at the rear of the PC is fully through the small slot on the rear of the panel and the access panel latch snaps into place.